Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm here with another Pokemon TCG Pocket video. And in today's video, we will be opening up more of the Spacetime Smackdown packs, and we'll alternate between the Dialga and Palkia packs. So we'll start off with the two free packs, and then we'll use the rest of the pack hourglasses I have. So it'll be a nice mini pack opening. Hope you guys enjoyed the silent opening I put out. I know those videos are weird, but I don't always have time to make videos like this on this game. So I find that a nice alternate way to still get content out on the game and have good polls for you guys to see, hopefully. I know they're not the best videos, but I'm hoping you guys enjoy them because I plan on putting more out in the future. But let's get into the first pack, and we'll start with the Palkia one. We'll go with this pack. And we got Nosepass, Togekiss, Piplup, Porygon, and starting off the video with a good pull and a Giratina. That's really cool looking. Can the first Dialga pack be that good? I wish that was faster. I wish you could just tap it to skip all that. Now the Dialga pack. Where we got Riolu, Murkrow, Uxie, Gloom, and we did get another cool card out of the first egg. We did get another first cool card out of the Dialga pack in Drifloon. That was a struggle for me to say for some reason. And now we're on to the pack hourglass portion of the opening. Going back to Dialga. So I think we'll be able to open at least 2 more of each out of 84 points. We got Porygon, Roselia, Kricketune, Rhyperior, and Grotle. Now waiting for all this stuff. Dialga pack number 2. We got Bidoof, Togetic, Gloom, Stunky, and Regirock. Now on to the next Palkia pack. Might be able to open more than what I thought. I'll go with this one. It has Cynthia, Apalm, Poochyena, Slugma, and another Togekiss. Back to the Dialga pack. It's annoying how many pop-ups there are just to do simple actions. Especially when you go on to get the free packs, how when you click into it, it says, you got a free pack. It's like, I already know I do, so let me just open it. But in this pack, we got Togetic, Snover, Riolu, Slugma, and Regigigas. The only new thing out of that pack. Now on to Palkia again. I know for sure we can do 2 more with 36 points. And if you can't tell, I'm terrible at doing math. I don't know where I was just at because I got rudely interrupted by a pop-up on my phone screen. But, oh yeah, I was saying something about how I'm not good at mathing out how many things I can open out of this amount of points and all that. So I think we can only do 2 more, or I think this is the first one out of the 2 more I think we can open. But maybe there's a third, but it depends on if I did the math right or not. Out of this pack we got Perugly, Oddish, Slugma, Magnemite, and Gastrodon. Hopefully there's no other pop-up on my phone screen. Okay, so we got 20. We can do 2 more packs. So we'll be ending off on Palkia. So what can the last Dialga pack give us? It will give us Gligar, Togepi, Luxray, Shinx, and Abomasnow. So 4 new cards. Nothing really cool. Now waiting for this again. And then out of the last Palkia pack, what are we gonna get? Hopefully something amazing. And we'll go with the 4th pack right here. We got Glameow, Carnivine, Chimchar, Magnemite, and Rhydon. So nothing great, but a new card in Carnivine. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.